An international festival of ethnic cultures titled The Spirit of Deshti Kipchak was held in Astana. A unique event united talents from almost 40 countries. The best solo performance, choreographic, vocal and instrumental groups arrived in the Kazakh capital. Creative competition was held within the framework of the Modernization of Public Consciousness program. The purpose of the competition is to popularize the national culture, language and history.
По 3 номинациям будет 3 гран-при, 3 первых места, 3 вторых, 3...
There will be 3 grand prizes in 3 nominations, also first, second, and third places. Grand prize will include an honorary diploma and valuable gifts, including the monetary premium at a rate of $3,000. The first place, $1,500, the second, $1,000, and the third, $750. In addition, we have a prize of audience sympathy. There is a prize of 2 funds.
Кроме этого, у нас есть еще приз зрительских симпатий.
A total of 100 people took part in the competition. In the first round, the participants performed Kazakh folk music, and in the second round, they presented the culture of their native countries. The contestants were evaluated by famous artists of Kazakhstan, Russia, Georgia, and Great Britain.
2 года участвую в фестивале.
For 2 years in a row, I'm participating in this festival. I came with military numbers, my own performance. This year, we are 3 professional dancers. We're dancing the Kazakh number, also warlike. We hope to please. 3 festival days were held in the atmosphere of true friendship and creative freedom. According to the organizers, the competition helps strengthen the inter-ethnic relations between Kazakhstan and other countries and is an effective platform for intercultural exchange.